So we like to, instead of using locators at each section of the song, we like to splice up our cue track and color coordinate it and label section by section so that it's easy to navigate playing live, and you can just click the cue track and fire into a section of a song. It's worked really well for us. So the way that we do that, I'm going to relabel this. We like to call ours cue, not guide. And then I'm going to make this white as well. And then we're just going to go section by section, not necessarily cue by cue, but just song section. Sometimes, like, we're not going to cut a build or a vamp or something like that. More so intro, verse, chorus, bridge, instrumental stuff, big sections like that. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to find, this is clearly the intro.
1, 2.
So we're going to go to the next cue, which is hopefully the verse.
Intro.
That's another intro. So we're going to splice that, Command E, and we're going to relabel this first one intro. And we're going to label this one intro. Cool. All right. Hopefully you enjoyed that quick movements. So now we picked a long song. I apologize. So now you can see here we have all of our song sections split out. We like to cut on the cue rather than cutting on the downbeat of the section, like how those locators were, for one specific reason. Say you're in a rehearsal or even live and you want to go back, or hey, let's just take it from verse 2 or whatever. The music director or the worship leader, whoever, the band leader that's running the Ableton session, can then go and find that part, and they have confidence if they just hit verse, click on it, it's going to play right at that verse cue. So your band can know when he hits play, it's going to say verse right away, 6 beats in this instance, and then the band's in.
Verse 3.
Rather than having to scrub behind or whatever. So now we're going to speed up again. The only thing that we're going to do now is color coordinate this cue track just to make it a little more easy to navigate quickly.
Clean.
Okay, now we have our cue track completely spliced and color coordinated. You can see we like to say, taste the rainbow.